Hi, I'm Md.Shamrat Miah. Today I am going to show you some formulas from world cards. So what is world card? Basically that before my tutorial I was discussed with some like commands. So what I am using with after like commands, so those things are like as world card, like as a percentage, a percentage, or sometimes I use a breakdown of what I'm using in mathematics. Those things are called a wild card. So today I'm going to show you that some different wild cards. So you could be specifically tell it like as like command. So specifically I just write some instruction for in my video. So here is from here I can tell you that. So before I tell you something, I want to show you uh, that I have a table name is student. You have already know about this table, and here is I have some information. So for a for a better look, I'm going to show you that my all information from my table name student. So if I execute this command, so it will show 1 to 5 IDs, all information like as ID name, class, roll number, and country. So in this time, uh, I will work with those 5 information. The Habib, Shamrat, Khalil, Jonathan, Jada. So please remember those names because most of the times in this tutorial I will be work with name and just only one instruction I have already used in countries. So just remember those names. So here my first wildcard is I am going to use a power symbol. Yes. So specifically I indicate some fields from my table students, and those fields are ID name, class, roll long, and country. Which table from a student? My table name is students, and here is the condition. So for this condition, I use a clause where, and I'm making this condition. I'm going to making this condition by the base of a specific field name is the name, and I have already declared this name field, and I have already used the like command because before I start my discuss for this video, I have already told you that the workers is meaning like as like command previous like as my tutorial. So where name like I have used here two single colon, and inside the single colon I used a third break, and third break is also used for Volcker, and I use here a power symbol F. So these power symbols after later means that I am using a condition where this letter will be no, this letter will be not shown, this letter's conditions will not going to come out as the results. So here is a uh, S letter from a name. If I search from here is a Shamrat, and the first letter is Shamrat. Where is first letter S? Because I use the percentage last after this later. After later, if I use a percentage symbol, it means that my name words will be start from the specific letter what I have already declared as. So if the percentage I have declared, if I declare before this later as, so it means that my specific condition will be the later will be the last position from a specific word. So Here I used s, after this later I used percentage, and I use before this later a power symbol. It's mean that which name words, which name information is charged from S, it will be not come out as a result, but the others results will be shown. So if I execute this, here is every information, but where is my second? Where is my Shamrat S? Because it's vanished because I declared the power symbol from here. So this is a condition. I think you understand it with a better view. I'm going now the next step. Here I have already used select ID name, role number, class, and country like as before. From student, it's okay. Where name like here between two single colon, I used another condition J, and after I use a third bracket, and here I used a hyphen jet. It's mean that, and after I used percentage symbol, it's mean there's I want to come out a result which name information will be stored from J letter, and the second letter will remain must A to Z. So if I execute it, so here you can here you see that after J I have a two information in a name field whose starts from J letters, and A to J, it's meaning that yeah, it's definitely the two information is starts from the same letter A. So if I execute this, it will be sure that just two information. Yeah, so we understand this wildcard information also. And the third is I used here select ID name class belong country, and here will be from students. And what is here where name like, yeah, I used here J, with information will be stars. The first position will be J, and I used after the second bracket A to J. Okay, no problem, because we have already known that we have a two letters, two information who starts from J letters, and after there will be any kind of letter will be later because we have already used A to J. Yes, and after that there will be N. So from here we know that jet, okay, A to Z, yeah, A to Z, it's okay. And after the third character will be N. Oh my god, here's the third character N, the fourth known ID, but the fifth known ID, the third position has remained Y. So the fifth ID will be vanished. We are going to able to see the fourth known ID. If I execute this, the fourth ID will be shown. So this is another kind of wildcard we can use when we need this kind of logic. And the last but not least, here is my last condition. Select ID name class ruler. Okay, from where? From student table. Where? Here is the logic. So we are using where clause. Where country? Here is the country condition. We are not using here name. So here we are using, instead of like we're using in. So this is not kind of wildcard. It's a different. So in. So where country in Bangladesh and Ireland. So basically, what it is going to happen if I execute this, if we want to make such kind of a logic that you need to come out as results by the base of different values. So we can use in. So Bangladesh and Ireland, those countries' information will be come out as well as. So Kajol Jana Chaida, those persons' names are remain in country Bangladesh and Ireland. Yeah. So this is our video. So I hope that everyone will be able to understand what I'm doing. I think that you are trying in SQL query at your home very seriously, and I will hope that the next video is coming so soon and wait for that. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.